Ladies and gentlemen, we have a super exclusive. For the first time on television, Republic has accessed a video of a Pakistan terrorist spotted in a terror camp in POK. The terrorist was eliminated in November. This is a terror camp video that we have now accessed from Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This is a Hizbul training camp in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The terrorist that you see here, this is the first time a terrorist has been spotted inside a terror camp in Kashmir, in POK. This is irrefutable proof of how Pakistan pushes terrorists through its terror factories. This is an exclusive video we have accessed. The terrorist entailed here was eliminated by the security forces in November this year. The visuals itself are from earlier in the year, from around the middle of the year. But this is a video that we have accessed of a Hizbul terror training camp. We have Captain Alok Bansal joining us. Captain Alok Bansal, we have this video now, and now irrefutable proof of how Pakistan pushes terrorists into India through its terror training camps in POK.
See, there has never been any doubt in anybody's mind that Pakistan has been training these terrorists. But now what you have provided is actually an irrefutable evidence that can be presented at the international fora to pin Pakistan down, which tries to attempt all sorts of subterfuge to deny its hand as far as involvement in these terrorist activities is concerned. But now that we have the video of the terrorist operating in that terror camp, as well as after his eliminating, we have the photos of his dead body, we can very easily show him that he was in the Pakistani territory, which has been occupied by Pakistan and has now crossed over to our side, which to our point, to my mind, is actually a big achievement, because this leaves Pakistan with no facade or no excuse to seek deniability. It very clearly shows that these terrorists are coming from across the line of control and are coming with the connivance of Pakistani security forces.
Absolutely. This is the proof that we were looking for. Thank you, Captain Alok Bansal, also for reiterating that when all the global forums, when Pakistan puts forth or attempts to make a case that these terror camps are not in fact terror camps, this is now proof, because the terrorist entail has been eliminated by the Indian security forces, and now we have visual evidence of him. Captain Alok Bansal, I also want to ask you, isn't this also a message for those who challenge the veracity of the Indian forces claims when we do surgical strikes or air strikes? Some people ask, but did you kill any terrorists? Isn't this proof now to them as well?
See, as far as those are concerned, this is actually a slap on their face, because anybody, I think there is a very, very small fringe which actually questions this sort of actions of the security forces, because in this country, most people understand. But there is a small fringe which, for their vested interest, often raises questions on the actions of the security forces. I think this sort of a video should completely shut them down, because what else do you want? It's an irrefutable evidence that is actually available to them. And I think now, hopefully, they should shut their mouths and support Indian security forces unequivocally.
This also comes, Captain Bansal, at a time when Pakistan is increasingly pushing terrorists into the valley. We've seen just a couple of days back there have been terror attack incidents, notably in Srinagar, and also the security forces have responded. A anti-terror operation was held yesterday where a Pak terrorist was killed, and recoveries were made, including AK-47 rifles and magazines, and then earlier today in Kulgam as well. Is this now something that India can take to the global forums? How do you propose this video be utilized to prove to the world that Pakistan does indeed is the birthplace of terror as far as the Indian subcontinent goes?
See, this video should be taken up to different international fora, especially through NGOs and other conferences, UNHRC and other United Nations bodies, where this video could be shown to pin Pakistan down. But what is more important is that we need to understand that ever since the fall of Kabul, ISI has been extremely emboldened and has been pushing terrorists across line of control into Jammu and Kashmir, because now ISI has only one direction to focus on,